Hi, Nicholas.
Hi,
What is today?
my birthday,
Straight. How old are you, Nicholas?
29.
29. Wow, you look like you're 15. Isn't that great?
Well, I don't look that old.
Huh?
I don't look that old.
You don't. So, how do you feel at 29?
I feel good.
Yeah, what'd you do so far today?
I went shopping and I went to the mall
Uh-huh.
and I went
Did you get a cake or cookies or something?
the cookies.
What kind of cookie you had?
No, brownie.
What kind?
Chocolate brownie.
Huh?
Chocolate brownie from this place called Great American.
Yes. Okay. Sounds like fun so far. You gonna do anything else for your birthday?
I'm gonna go bowling on Sunday.
Oh, that'll be great. Well, I can't wait to Sunday to go bowling with you. Nicholas, have you enjoyed YouTube so far?
Yes,
What have you enjoyed about it?
I've enjoyed
We can't see you. What have you? We can't see you. What have you enjoyed?
the subscribers
Mm-hmm.
and just being on YouTube.
Yeah. Has it been fun so far?
Yes,
Yeah. It's fun trying to get content to send to your subscribers so they can get to know you better, right?
yes,
So what we decided to do, guys, this is Nicholas's mother, Kim, speaking with you guys off camera because it's really about Nicholas. What Nicholas and I have decided to do is to try and learn more about content for you guys. So when we do little activities and stuff, we'll make sure to try to capture content for you to see so that you can get to know Nicholas. Because, guys, I want to thank you for all of your comments that you leave Nicholas and for subscribing because he loves it. He tells his family about it, right, Nick?
yes.
He tells everybody about how nice you guys are and your compliments of him and comments. And I want to thank you for that. Later, sooner than later, I will be coming on camera with Nicholas so that we can do shared comment with you guys. Just sitting down talking for you guys to get to know me. Nicholas has two sisters, which are older sisters. You'll get to know them, his dad, and some of his other family. So that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to wish each and every one of you a happy new year. And we pray and we ask God to please bless you guys this year, keep you safe, keep your family safe. And we are so excited about 2026 and Nicholas's new YouTube channel. Until we come back on again, you guys take care, be blessed, and know that you're not alone and we care. Bye.
Bye.